Hello everyone, welcome to the Big Guy Garage. If you're new here, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. If you're returning to watch videos, please hit that share button. We really need your support, but this is what we do here. Classics, rat rods, hot rods, resto mods. And also you can jump onto the shop and pick up the clothes, the shirts that help support the channel. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's your video. So now after you have your mounts made to hold your bushing, in order to keep it straight, you're going to want to bolt your bushing into your arm. Now here's another thing too, you can't bolt this back to that front one, because if you're tacking it and you're moving it back 3/4 of an inch, you need to be able to move it. So at that point what you're going to have to do is we're going to have to tack these tabs to this bushing. How hot? Very hot. After you burn the piss out of your hand, now one side is actually higher than the other, but all you need to do right now is just tack it. Now them are set hopefully somewhat square. Oh yeah, they're pretty good. Now's where the fun comes, is moving it back that 3/4 of an inch you need, which I ground way too in the wrong spot here. That should be about where it needs to be, so you grind through here, down that way, down that way. That crap has a ton of mill scale on it, so you gotta grind it pretty hard. I mean, I got it out of it was at a welding shop, but it was scrap they had laying outside. Well, not outside, in their scrap pile. So I got it wicked cheap, and the price of this plate, if you had to buy it, was high. So just try to get this to be a placement holder right now, to where I can find center point in my tape measure. Here it is, right in front of my face. You know the rules. Alright, so we're going to say center of the bolt to there, and it's got to be 11 3/4. Well, actually, it's just got to be 3/4 from center to center, so. Check and check and check. According to that, I am a little long still, so. It's on right there. So yeah, that needs to cool now. But that's our top jig. And this is at the time if I was a funny guy and didn't still get nervous by the camera, I'd probably do a jig. But I don't do that. But man, them welds came out pretty sweet. Let's show you here if I get y'all scared. Yes. I don't do too bad, you know. For somebody using completely CO2, the 100% CO2 actually makes your welds hotter, and the wire that I'm using actually makes your welds colder. So right now, this is probably what you would get with 30 thou and C25. But that's, you know, what I use here. It's cheap. I sure hope that thing ain't cockeyed like this. That'll throw me all off. It'll be alright. It's got space. But now I need to really start measuring out my bearings and everything, or my bushings, not my bearings, my bushings, to see what like heim joints and stuff I need. Which I'm thinking these are 2-inch. This one don't matter because I have to order it separately from a different company, because these I will get from wherever I get my parts from to build my control arms, because these will be welded DOM 120 wall. So yeah, and these are, I already know these are 5/8 holes here, which I don't understand why I don't use 9/16. If the bolt's 9/16 and the bore's 9/16, wouldn't that be a better fit? You know, I don't know. It's something I'll ask the guy I order my stuff from, because I really don't know. But yeah, that's the top. Bottom's down there. The jigs are done.